Hey you guys, so today you guys are going to be making snowflakes. I want to decorate our classroom with snowflakes and they'll stay up for December and January as those are some cold months here at school. So your task is to create 3 snowflakes. I want you to do 3 different patterns of your choice and I'm going to show you how to do that. Here's an example of one. This was kind of basic. You see I did a pattern on the outside and then I have this little squiggly pattern on the inside. You could always also look online to get more ideas. There are some really crazy cool snowflakes that you can make if you go online. But I'm going to show you just kind of the basic way to do that. And again, I want you to do at least 3 and bring them to school. Okay, so each of you got 3 pieces of paper that look like this. We need to go ahead and size the paper correctly. So what you're going to do is you're going to take one corner and you're going to bring it all the way up here until it gets to the edge. And you're going to fold that down nice and flat. Now notice that I kind of oopsied there, but that's okay. So I will just re-straighten it to make sure all the edges are met. There we go. Let me check on the other side. Much better. Okay, so now that you've done that, my goal is to get rid of this extra piece on here. So you could do that easily by folding this flap over this way. And then you can also fold it back this way just to get its crease nice and solid. And then if you have scissors, we're just going to cut that off. If you don't have scissors, you could gently tear it off. But hopefully you have some scissors at home. So I'm going to go ahead and just cut the edge off there. And now I have a perfect shape to start my snowflake design. So what you're going to do is you're going to fold the corners. So I'm going to fold this corner to that corner and make sure, again, this crease is nice and tight. And then I'm going to meet the other corners. And you can do this as many times as you want. The more folds is going to create the more additional sides of designs. So I'm going to do it 3 times. It gets a little trickier if you do more than 3 because the area, the space is a little bit smaller, but definitely you can do whatever you like. And then you're going to cut out designs on all 3 sides. So here we go. I'm just going to kind of do some easy ones. I think I'll do some circles here. And again, you can make whatever pattern you want. It is your snowflake. I can't wait to see them. And I'll just go quickly here. Now, what's important is that you don't cut off the corners, okay? So notice that I started a little bit down here. Don't cut off the corners here, okay? Now I'm gonna go on to this side, and I think I'll do my triangle pattern, do some little ones and some big ones. When you're cutting on the edges, make sure you don't cut all the way to this edge, otherwise it'll ruin it. Okay, so notice that these circles all stopped before getting to the other edges. So you don't want them to cross over, okay? And then I'm just taking these little triangles off. And then I think I'll do a couple more. And again, don't go all the way to the edge. You want to stop about right there. So there's that. And then I'm going to do one more side. And I think I'll do like a bunch of rectangles. So again, you can do the same pattern on all sides. You can fold it as many times as you want before you start cutting your patterns. You just want to make sure, though, again, that you don't cross over this side to this side. See how there's still space in between the patterns? You want to keep space there, okay? Almost done, so you guys can see how it turned out. I'll do one more right here. And then you unfold it to see your finished snowflake. Wow, look at that. So pretty. Okay, so I want you guys to go have some fun making your snowflakes. Again, I want you to do at least 3 so we have enough to hang up all over the room. Okay, you guys have fun making your snowflakes. Please make sure they make it back to school safely so we can hang them up.